Doing a taper can actually be very simple. Let me show you. We're going to establish our bald line at the top of the arch and where the ear connects to the head, and then we're going to shave that down. And now to start blending up, we're going to come in with the clipper closed and raise up that bald line just slightly. And after we do it closed, we're going to go a quarter of the way and take it up slightly higher. Then we'll come in halfway with the lever and do the same exact thing. And we're going to follow this notch by notch until we are fully open. This makes it a lot easier to get rid of the line in between the open and bald line. And for our next step, we're going to follow the same method. So instead of coming in open, we're going to come in with our one guard closed, and then we'll open it up all the way. And the reason I'm doing this is we're getting rid of the lines as we move up in the blend, as opposed to establishing the guidelines and then getting rid of them. Now the 1.5 is the biggest guard we are going to use, so I came in open and then flipped it around to go with the grain. Now I'm using the corner to detail, and that's how I do a taper. But if you want to go more in depth in your haircut education, comment blueprint down below.
As I always tell you guys that this is a creative industry, you understand? So all professional barbers have plenty different strategy of getting their haircut done. You get it? Yes, this is another strategy of getting a shape, getting a new hairstyle enhancement, and those stuff. You get it? So as a beginner barber, always make sure that you are learning a lot. You are learning a lot from people. You get it? Because different ideas all together. This is one hairstyle from West Africa, Ghana. Follow me for more tips. The most important in hair lineup is the forehead line. You get it? If you mess up, you're gonna miss the whole show. So this person, he first of all cut the C curve, cut the vertical line before the forehead line. You get it? Yes. So as a beginner, always make sure that you are getting the. Follow me for more tips like this on haircut tutorial. The most difficult part in the beard side cut is the mustache. You know, when you get there, you are not careful. You may had a cut on the person. You get it? Yeah. See your client just a normal client. You know, clients can move from client's position to become a brother, to become a business partner, to become, you know, your best friend, to become anybody to you. You understand? So make sure you are maintaining that relationship with them. We have some clients, if you get closer to them, they give you business ideas. I remember I have a talk with one of my clients way back 2021 2022 that I want to travel to Dubai. He said he have been to Dubai before. If I'm able to use that money to establish myself, have my own shop, working for myself, I will make more money than going to Dubai. And I was like, how possible? He said, he have stayed in Dubai for like 5-6 years, and he know what he's talking about, and he's now established business in Ghana and doing business in Ghana. You don't go to Dubai again. So I asked him, so how? Like, I don't understand. And he said, okay, he can assist me to get to that point. And I said, okay. So he started taking me from one point to another one point. So immediately he finished his point, I come to understand. So I used that money to establish myself, and today I'm here. I'm the CEO of Fred B. Grooming Savvy. You understand? So don't see your client as just a normal person to you. Talk to them. Build a strong relationship with the client. You understand? They can give you ideas. They can connect you. They can, they can raise you from 1 to 2. Yes. You understand? So this is your tip master from West Africa. Ghana. Follow me and subscribe for share.
Another video with the Murano razor. It may break down some details, especially when we lining the beard, when we merging the mustache with the beard on both sides. Most time you'll find that that's one of the harder areas to merge, and we only have 30 to 25% of the razor that ever touches the skin anyway. When we under the nose, when we use the traditional razor, that traditional razor is too fat to go under the nose. If I'm in this area right here where the sideburn is, I can detach it from the handle. I can get a closer feel of contact to the skin and remove the handle out my way. I can reattach it to the handle and change the positions of the razor inside of the handle. So it's one major benefit to the Murano razor. Those barbers that do those designs and those lines is going to be perfect for them. And remember, you're looking at a line right now. It's no chalk, no ink, no ash. This is a raw line you're looking at. But the benefits, more benefits coming soon. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for tuning in. This area under the nose, the traditional razor, a lot of times it's too wide. Go to m1innovations.com. But just bringing things to the industry to just change and make our job easier behind it.